Yes, it is my apartment to move in day. I promise I'm excited. I'm just tired.
All right. All right.
Alright, so it's currently like 6:13. I'm just waking up with less than 3 hours of sleep. But I have a long day ahead of me, so I need to like get ready. I'm gonna try to record as much as possible today, but it's gonna be kind of crazy, so I'm not sure how well that's gonna go. I'm sorry if my voice sounds weird too, but I wanted to leave the house at 7. It's currently 6:15. I'm the only one up in the house. So I'm gonna start waking everybody up around 6:30, and we can just load the car up and go. So we'll see, and I'll keep you guys updated. So this is the last little bit of stuff. So this is the stuff that's going in my car. This stuff, like my bedding, decor, thing like that, is gonna be going in my dad's car. And big items and clothes and stuff went in my mom's car. She already loaded hers up. And so she's gonna start loading mine up. It's hot, sweating. This is not how this was supposed to go. Alright, don't mind my appearance. I look rough. But we are almost done loading up the cars. My dad is loading up his car, and after that, we done. I did a lot more work than I was supposed to. I got my nails done. You don't do all this when you got your nails done. But apparently I do. Yeah, I look rough, so don't mind my appearance. 7:40. Wanted to leave at 7 o'clock.
I was moving and shaking. Y'all can't put this on me.
We're supposed to leave at 7 o'clock. 7:30 the latest.
One time we went to bed, we wasn't leaving until 7 o'clock. What's this?
Alright, we got all the cars loaded up. We got all the cars loaded up. We gotta get gas and stuff. I'm gonna head out. I don't know what they're gonna be doing. Right now, we're just about to go get gas. My dad's filling up my tank. And my mom is watching me record myself. What a weirdo. Y'all, I moved today. Moving to my apartment. My new apartment. Okay, let me go because I think they're about to start backing out. Alright guys, we are officially heading out on the road. We got the gas. And we're about to hit the road. I'm about to play my music, so I'm gonna update y'all when I'm like maybe an hour away, 2 hours away. I don't know, but I'm about to play music, so yeah. Y'all, it is raining, which I should not be recording, but it's raining. It was raining way harder than this. I couldn't record during that, but it's raining so hard, which is not good. And so hopefully it stops soon. So Okay, so it is currently now 10:15 and we're less than 50 miles away. I'm tired, my back hurts. But yeah, the rain has stopped. It's bright and sunny like it was before now, so that is great. But yeah, so just updating y'all real quick. And that's really it. I'm just driving. Nothing really spectacular happening right now, unfortunately. We are here. We have my strong father here.
Take a picture of him. Oh, he don't like his pictures.
He doesn't, but it's okay. Oh, this way, Daddy. But I got my key here. So yes, this is it. Okay, y'all. So the last thing that y'all saw was me trying to get into my apartment. I said everything went downhill from that because literally it did. Like, I walked in, actually I didn't even get in, my key wasn't working, so that's a whole nother story. And then when I finally got into the apartment, my carpet was ruined and everything like that. It was a lot wrong with the apartment itself. So that whole day I just ended up not even wanting to record anymore. If y'all want to know like my whole move-in day experience, I can do a story time video on that. Like, just let me know down in the comments below and I can like share exactly what happened with details and everything, but that's not what this video is about. So fast forwarding, I moved in Saturday and it's now Thursday. And I'm gonna show y'all, but like I haven't unpacked yet. All I did was like my decor. I'm only showing y'all my bed because of course I have my room tour where everything is set up and finished. I don't even have like a wall picture there yet. I'm gonna get something there for that. I don't even have that up yet. Like, it's so much stuff I still need to order and put together, but of course I'm saving that for my official room tour, so stay tuned for that. So today I'm just going to be actually unpacking. I was trying to wait for them to come do my carpet, but they still haven't done it yet, so I'm just about to go ahead and put everything up. Everything is literally just sitting around from like when we literally just moved it from upstairs. Like, I haven't unpacked anything. Okay, y'all, this is my room semi-packed up because I know y'all saw all this area and it was a complete mess. So that's all cleaned up. Look at that spot. Don't get me started. That's why my carpet is ruined. But y'all seen all this was a mess. All this is cleaned up now. Well, all this is kind of cleaned up. I am doing laundry, so that's why my bed is a mess. And if y'all do hear the background, I'm supposed to be in class right now, so that's like my class going right now. But anyways, so yeah, that's it. Those are like laundry baskets, dirty clothes. I have so much stuff under my bed, but this is like the finished or whatever.